eat out this metal, and it's very thin now here. Got some smoke, so now there is something happen. I'm from Finland. Take it out. Hi, I am Sami and I want to be Overlander. First, I revealed my ego. Hello and welcome to Wannabe Overlander YouTube channel. And this episode we are trying to lock the car body in the body beater's bench, so I can mount the frame here permanently, so I can take out the axles and then my plan is painting it under chassis. So that's the plan in this episode. I try to mount this frame here. I have this tab and I think these are the correct mounting points. I don't know which one is in the back. I think it's in here, but it's a little bit middle of car. But let's put this front mount first. These are quite heavy parts. I'm not happy to lift in these, but like this. You have to change this bracket, put these ones in here to lock that tab mounting. Let's open these bolts. This is quite exercise when you're mounting. These jobs are for locking here, but my plan is painting under the chassis here, so I don't want to lock anything here, and beside this side have small vents, so it's cannot fit straight here like this. Well, maybe it's possible, but I don't want to mount it here because then I can't paint. Now I can do it very nice here if I'm mounting it under there. Then I need to put this tab here, 30mm tab, and another side I put it like this. Check it, it's a line here. Yeah, it is okay. Okay, this is a body bench mounting. Okay, we have a problem. This side torsion bar nut. This another side, driver's side, left side, it's open freely, quite easy, but this side is stuck. So I'm clean the thrusts there and put some penetrating oil, and now I try to heating this nut. Let's see, is it help? I use induction heater. Let's see, does it work? Yeah, now I got some smoke, so now there is something happen. I don't use often this induction heater, so I'm not very used to work with this. Let's see. At least the penetrating oil can get easier in. I think this is not strong machine enough for making this not glowing red, but I don't remember anything how this machine used. So give it some lube. It's still quite hot. Let's see what it's like. I don't know, should I wait it cold? Not in this way. It's not want to turn. As you see, it's quite tight. It's insane. I think I need to make some constant pull here with some wrench and then wait it's gonna keep up. But now it's not going to turn. It's not look very corroded, but anyway. Now the torsion bars are off. Now I try to take out last bolts from the front axle, but I don't know what's going to happen. And try to loosen last bolts. This might collapse down here. But I think anything is not going to break. One side is off. Yeah. Now it's already. So just put it down in the floor. Now it's off. Yeah, front axle is off. Now I need to take it out from under the car. Quite unstable. Yeah, if I install it, I should make some rack off the car. Yeah, I want to look at how stable it is. It's stable because this quite heavy part is off now, and you see those jig points. It's mounted with the tab under the jacking place, so there is nothing holding it down. That's it for today. Okay, now I took off the axles, the front subframe and rear suspension arms. So let's see, they are here, and they was quite good condition. I think there is almost no reason to take out these link arms, but there is a little bit rust. I want to check them for sure. And now they are in the floor. I'm changed bushings and the bearings and sandblasting these and paint. And the front subframe looks like this, and power steering was very dirty. I think there is some minor oil leaks or something. I don't know where the oil came there. That was a very messy place. I think I just need to find all bushings new and paint these parts, sandblasting and paint. And what comes to car body, now I have very good place here to working, cleaning these areas here in down and painting them, put the new body seal and then paint them and make some corrosion protection cavity wax. I put these stripes here because these places are just the tiny tap in the hole. So if I working here and something takes it up from the places, oh, I have some bolts I don't tightening yet. Oh, could I see? So then this can go over the hole and then it's possible collapse. So that's why these stripes keep the frame down in tight. Here it's now very good working area. Cleaning, lots of cleaning. I think a couple of days just cleaning and then a little bit covering and something. I have to take out some small parts here. I don't know what I do this area. This area, it's not the rusty, but we try to cleaning it, and maybe here see some metal a little bit under this bottom color. I don't know what I do for this. It's not rusty, but I don't want to paint over this. So, and I didn't knew here is adjusting places. You can adjust the rear axle angles. That's it, my work today. Now I need to sorting some things here in the garage and make place for, I have place for working with this. I found one place where I need to welding a little bit, and as you see here, that's bushing eat out this metal, and it's very thin now here. I don't know what happens here. I think the sand or stones or something goes inside here, and I think it's almost half a thickness here. You can see in this area where I have color, that's the original thickness, but here I'm scared this is not strong anymore. Another side is quite well. There is only not as much wearing. Another side car, there are almost nothing, I think, and the center area is fine. So I think so. So I'm going to weld here and make this more thick, but the problem is there is not place to put the angle grinder here or almost anything, so I need to use some small tools grinding it straight. So I don't make it 100%, but now it's much better than earlier. Now there is not that very deep edge. So if you look at these slots here, you can see how deep it was. These have a huge work. Now I have been about a couple of days just scrubbing out some small rust places in down there. After I finished the welding, there was some minor rust places. So now I'm able to start to sanding. I have to sanding it in everywhere, so I can put the more primer and then something stone chip protection. Okay, I'm going to end this video here and see you in next episode, and then I'm going to spray some stone chip protection and bottom color there. And please don't forget to subscribe, it costs nothing. See you in next episode. Thank you for watching and see you in next episode. You can grip and pull it out. So when you spray, the layer is still a little bit wet, then you take out this, and it's gonna be slippery when there is that stone chip protection. So then you can tear the last tape off.